Stay tuned in for this incredible exterior home transformation.
Yeah, when they put this new roof on, they hardly put any ventilation. One ridge vent, that one should go all the way across. Only 2 ridge vents on this other roof. Definitely a lot of heat buildup in that roof. We're gonna put ridge vents all the way across. Over here in the Woodlands. And here we are, new HDZ GAF roof, along with new 6-inch seamless black gutters, Sherwin-Williams plum color paint, along with accents. Turned out real well. Customers happy. We also refinished the front door with a mahogany stain.
Keep your home in its best shape with Mr. Happy House, a local and professional GAF certified roofer and James Hardy siding installer with over 32 years in business.